YouTube, BP Car Audio, Sean here. Just wanted to give you guys a little update. I didn't film actually putting the devices on the thermal, whatever the heck you want to call this, that these Rockford fosgate amps use. This is the 800.1 or .2 or something like that. Anyway, yeah, I just use this here. This is a plastic torch for doing plastic work. It uses compressed air. It's got an available temperature there on the back, and then a 60-watt iron to have heat coming from the top side. And these are just soldered on both sides. And then I replaced them with these devices here. Please forgive me, I'm using a different camera on a different phone, and this one's kind of horrible. Anyway, I don't remember the specs exactly on the devices. I'll put them in the description, and hopefully we can get some testing done and make sure this thing works. They are a stronger device than the original, and you cannot get the original anymore unless you find somebody who has them. Anyway, just thought I'd give everybody a little update here. Please like, comment, subscribe at BB Car Audio on Twitter, and I can't remember what the link is for Facebook, but I will put it in the description. And please, as always, like, comment, give it a thumbs up, thumbs down. If you don't like it, you know, your comments are welcome here. No big deal. But thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll have another video up when it's working.